Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shrikant Juneja from Center for Learning and Development, Lloyd Law College. And today I'll share a single question technique of problem solving. Now this has 5 steps. Step 1 is to identify the main question. Now let's take an example. If the main question is how to start a soft skills training in your law firm. Now step 2 is to create the sub-questions of the main question. Now the main question was how to start the soft skills training in your law firm. Number 1 sub-question could be how soon we can conduct the TNI thing. TNI is training needs and identification of all the employees in your law firm so that we can get the data who needs what training. Second sub-question could be, can we meet the partners, senior partners of your law firm and can get understanding of what exactly they feel that their team and their employees need when it comes to training and other training related activities. Now step 3 is very critical. Here we just collect everything what we have when it comes to data of the sub-question. Now sub-question 1 was to have an exhaustive TNI, that is training needs and identification. In this, an online customizable document was sent to all the employees to understand what exactly they feel that they need for their self-enhancement, skill enhancement when it comes to training, delivering the soft skill sessions. Answering the second thing, which is the step 3, to have more data, collecting information. We met partners, we met what? More than 90% of the partners, and they also validated the same with minor modifications. Now step 4 is very interesting. In this, you will have the answers of both your sub-questions, or in your case, if we have more sub-questions, we'll get answer for all the sub-questions. But taking our example, which we've already started, let's answer these 2 questions. So first sub-question was to have a detailed TNI process, that is training need identification. Now we have the answer for it. More than 70% of the employees said that they need communication skills and advanced negotiation skills for their self-enhancement. Answering the second sub-question here, the partners also felt that yes, they need communication skills and advanced negotiation, but on the top of that, they also felt that the employees need effective time management skills also. And the final step, which is step number 5, is answering the main question. What was the main question in our case? How to start the soft skills training in your law firm. And we got the answer. The answer is at the earliest with the input of communication skills, advanced negotiation skills, and the partner suggestion, effective time management skills in your law firm.